Here in Colorado, we know that wildfire recovery in our forests takes decades.
But now a new study by a Colorado Springs native and a former CU researcher shows that some forest areas may never recover. News Channel 13's Scott Harrison is live in Black Forest tonight with more on what the study has found. Scott?
Well, here along Black Forest Road, you can see one of those areas that could be what we're talking about exactly. And you can see that 7 years after the big wildfire here, damage to the forest remains. Now, we should mention that the Black Forest and Waldo Canyon fires were not part of this study, but the study does explain more about what we can expect in the aftermath of this and future fires. The study of long-term forest fire recovery was released 2 weeks ago. It covered fires between 1988 and 2010, including the Hayman fire in 2002, which was the largest in state history until just a few weeks ago. The coverage area was along Colorado's Front Range, southern Wyoming, and northern New Mexico. Leading the study was Kyle Rodman, formerly at CU. He and a team, including the Forest Service, spent several years working on it.
There are over 1,300 individual places where we actually went out to specific locations in 22 different wildfires, counted the number of trees that had grown in after the fire, collected information about what the forests looked like before the fire, what they looked like now.
The study found that in the heaviest burned areas, many trees did not grow because of damage or unstable soil and did not produce seeds for new trees, not just because of the fire, but because of climate change, continued hot, dry weather during wildfire seasons. There are not enough resources available to fully restore all forests that have been damaged by wildfire. We're going to have to leave a lot of the job up to Mother Nature. But people can help by focusing more on higher, wetter, and cooler areas of forests that have relatively less damage and where the recovery rate has been a lot better. The study will help wildfire experts know more about how forests are damaged in fires and learn the best ways to help them recover. Now, according to research from this and other studies, more than half of the trees in the Hayman and Waldo Canyon fires were destroyed, but only around 10% of the trees were destroyed here in Black Forest. All these trees, and it's just 10% of what's here. We are live in Black Forest. Scott Harrison, KRDO, News Channel 13.